Hello everyone, how are you doing? First off, I want to start by thanking you for taking the time to watch this video. I want to introduce you to Merakinet. So what is Merakinet? What does it stand for? Meraki stands for the living soul, the creativity and love in everything that you do, leaving a piece of you in everything that you are involved in. Net just stands for network. Next, I want to show you something very interesting. I want to show you how you could change your life in the next 5 minutes if you pay attention to everything I say in this video. I want to show you Merakinet's compensation plan. The first thing you're going to do is buy a membership that's going to cost you $24.99 in Bitcoin. Now, what would this membership give you? This membership is going to give you a personalized page, back office support, and it will also give you access to Merakinet's University. In Merakinet's University, you will learn about cryptocurrency, social media, e-commerce, forex, and you will receive the mentoring as well as coaching. This membership will last you 1 whole year. The matrix was 1 times 2. Which is a new method that is being applied in the market. The $25 matrix generates you $50, the $50 matrix generates you $100, the $100 generates you $200, and so on, all the way to $800. Basically, the amount will be double, all in Bitcoin. You are able to cash out anytime with the minimum amount of cash out, which is $50. Cash out is open 24/7 with a 5% fee of the amount that you cash out. So how does the matrix work? Antonio buys $800, an $800 matrix. Antonio's job is to bring Luisa and Teresa. The $1,600 from Luis and Teresa are split into 2 parts. Antonio will make $800 and the other $800 go towards a new matrix that the system will automatically make for Antonio. Now, Antonio's job is to help Luis bring 2 people. In this scenario, he brings in Eva and Joel. What happens now is that Luis also generated $1,600, which will also be split into $800 for himself to cash out and $800 to a new matrix. However, Luis will not appear in Antonio's matrix. This is called Follow Me. All of your sponsors will follow you every time they complete their matrix. The same process will happen with Teresa once she brings in 2 people. When Teresa follows Antonio into the new matrix, Antonio will now generate $1,600 again. $800 for himself to cash out, and the other $800 will automatically open a new matrix. This is the power behind the concept of Follow Me. What does this mean? The more sponsors that Antonio has, the more money he will generate. Now I'll be talking about a couple strategies that you could do in order to make more money. Here's an easy strategy. If you buy these 3 matrices, you will generate $350. If you cycle them 1 time a day, you will make $175 to yourself, and the other $175 will go to a new matrix. If you do this 1 time a day, you make $875 a week and $3,500 a month. If you are someone who is ambitious and knows you can make this happen, I recommend you work with all matrices. How much will you generate if you bring 2 people for each matrix? You will generate $3,150, $1,575, which will be for your capital, which you'll be able to cash out, and the other $1,575 will go towards new matrix. If you do this for 5 days and you are able to cycle the matrices at least once a day, you will make $7,875. If you are able to follow this concept for 4 weeks, you will make $31,500. Now, the objective is to not only make money for yourself, but to help your sponsors as well. Let's say you help 10 people make $31,500. Multiply that times 10 and you get $315,000. You will be taking home $157,000 in a month, and the other half would be going towards a new matrix or new matrices since you're working with all of them. If you are someone who is ambitious and has a drive, you might be able to get it done faster. Now, I recommend that you ask the person who sent you this video for more information. I personally want to welcome you to Merakinet. God bless you, and let's keep pushing forward.